Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change your mobile number on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on the settings icon to the upper right hand corner and tap on mobile number and cut your number from this option and enter here your new mobile number and tap on verify and select the option to verify. You can select via SMS or you can select call. So I'm going to selecting here via SMS. Here is the verification code. So here you can say I've successfully changed my mobile number. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.